Hey gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today I've got a cheeky little Hermès unboxing for you. Who is she? Yes, that's right, I'm starting my Hermès journey. Or am I? More on that later. I am going to take you through my first ever purchase experience. This is my first ever purchase from Hermès, other than a couple of makeup pieces. So I want to go through my in-store experience at the Hermès boutique in Harrods. What I wanted to see, what I ended up buying, and whether this is the start of an journey to an bag or to an quota bag or something. So yes, I have got a little bit of something in here for you. This was from my Harrods visit, my recent Harrods visit, where I met up with the lovely Claire. Her channel will be linked down below. We spent a lot of time at Fendi. I bought something at Gucci and I wanted to have a look at something in Hermès. All videos will be linked below. Vlog, unboxing, Claire's channel, you name it. Go and check it out if you haven't already. Oh, my hair's fallen out already. Oh, that's disappointing, isn't it? Maybe I should have used more than one, just one little bobby pin. How's that looking? Better? Thank you. Harrods opens at 10 AM. I got there about 20 past 10. I noticed that Hermès was pretty empty. So I ran in there and I put my name down for a leather appointment. Now, bearing in mind, this was about 10:30-ish. They said, oh, it'll be about an hour and a half or whatever. And I thought, okay, well, that's okay. Eventually, I got the text message to say, your appointment is ready, we're nearly ready for you, you're next in the queue. And that was about 2.5 hours. I think it was probably about 1:30 at that point. So we went in there, had Claire with me, and I had my sales associate, my client advisor, who was nice. She was very pleasant, very efficient, kind of in terms of an experience. Didn't receive quite the same levels of love as we did from Valentina, but we know Valentina and she really does look after us. But the experience was efficient. She asked me what I wanted to see, what I was interested in. I told her it was a leather appointment. I had mentioned when I booked it that I wanted to look at some shoes as well. That was a different area of the store with different sales associates, so I couldn't merge the two bookings. I was interested in seeing the Chypre sandals or Kypra sandals, whatever. You know I love a Birkie, you know I love a comfy summer sandal, so that's what I was interested in seeing. I'm open to the trainers as well, but that was what I was interested in seeing on that particular day. I didn't see any out on the shelves. I didn't see any of the SLG I wanted out on the shelves, or the belt either. So who knows if it was tucked away behind closed doors or whatever, but I didn't get to see them anyway. I was also interested in seeing the Kelly belt because I like the idea that it's adjustable and you're not pulling on like belt buckle holes or anything like that. Asked her what the maximum length was. She kept on saying to me, oh, it's adjustable. And I said, I know it's adjustable, I just need to know what the maximum it can go to is, because I'm a girthy girl. She did go away and she found out, she came back to me, and the maximum was 100 centimeters. Now my Gucci belt is 110 or 120. It's one of those two. Either way, 100 centimeters was not going to cut it. Scratch Chypre sandals, scratch Kelly belt. My last ditch attempt at something from Hermès was to ask to see a little cheeky something. I'm going to get this out and start unwrapping it for you. We've got the orange bag. We've got a beautiful little orange box with the Hermès ribbon on it. Hermès 2024 it says. So you can see that this is a small item. It is a small SLG, and if you saw my wish list, my 2024 luxury wish list, you will have seen there was something specific on it. So if you have watched that wish list video, you'll have an idea of what this is. If you haven't, it's going to be as much of a surprise to you as anyone who's new to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, don't forget to get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the doing it one-handed love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. By the way, it's not just luxury I enjoy. I like high-end, but I like high street as well. This shirt, Tesco, popped in for some veg, picked up this shirt. No natural fibres in it whatsoever, but I liked the colours. I'm a huge believer in it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. So if you want to wear high street and high end, then you have got my nod of approval, because your girl here loves to do that too. Back to this. Hermès and Tesco. What a hoots! Okay, let's see if there's not going to be any giveaways. Okay. What colour? What colour do you think I'd have gone for? Do you think I'd have gone for... Oh, it's not in a... Oh, it's not in a little dust bag or anything. I thought it might be, but it's not. Okay. Let's go. My first bit of Hermès. Look at that colour. Oh, yes. It's been a few days. I'm really surprised there's no dust bag. Other people with Hermès SLGs, did you get dust bags with them? Okay. Oh, gosh, it feels good. It feels so good. Will you look at it? Okay, right, stop it, Gwenny. Stop being such an idiot. This is a very popular style of card holder from Hermès. This is the Calvi, but this is a special Calvi because this is the Calvi Duo, and it's a duo because it's got two different ways of using it, I guess. You've got your card slot side here. The classic Calvi has this on both sides. The Duo has a slip bit behind here, and you have this poppered section here. No, look at that. Oh, and then here we've got it stamped. Just there's a little silver stamp saying Hermès, Paris, made in France. And this is in the colour vert, or vert if you like, vert comique, and this is the colour that Dale has her Hermès Birkin in, channel link down below, and the lovely Megan of Train Girl Megan, channel link down below. Her mini Lindy is in this colour. I was shown pink, a few colours. There was this really kind of raspberry, fuchsia-y kind of pink, which Claire actually had her eye on. She was very tempted. But this is the colour that really stood out. Ever since Dale unboxed her Birkin and showed us this gorgeous green colour, look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant. Ever since she showed us this gorgeous green colour, I knew I had to have something in this green. This is just a bright green, and it is beautiful. This does not tell me what the leather is, but I do remember she said the leather was called Madame leather. If that means anything to any Hermès aficionados, then please do let me know. There was a kind of pale pink that was nice, but it was on the coral salmon-y kind of side of pink. That was in Epsom leather, and I was really surprised. And bear in mind, this is the first time I've touched any Hermès leather. I was really surprised at just how hard the Epsom leather was. Now, I don't know if it's because it was in this tiny little SLG that's folded over, but this Madame leather feels so much softer and more pliable than the Epsom leather did. The fuchsia coloured one was in, I think it's almost like a patent. It was a really high shine. Goat leather, that was really soft and lovely. And Swift leather was surprisingly soft and lovely. I was expecting that to be quite hard, just plain hard leather. My first bit of Hermès, bought it at Harrods. I'm going to buy everything I can at Harrods because Harrods rewards points. Get rewards points on this as well. This was £470, which is a lot for an SLG, granted. I have heard really great things about this, and I am excited to get into it and start using it. And I will come to how I want to use it in a moment, but let's just focus on, is this the start of a journey? I don't know. There's things I'd like from Hermes. Do I want to jump through hoops to get them? No, I have neither the time, energy, nor inclination to be playing those silly games. I'm too long in the tooth for that kind of nonsense. I'm saying all of this and I'm going to end up doing some sort of wish list, aren't I? I'm going to see how I go with this. I am excited to be using this, and what I want to do is, please hold, it is a card holder. So I've got this is my Loewe card holder, which I got for free using said Harrods rewards. Always got a link to Harrods rewards in my description. Sign up, you won't regret it. I'm planning on using cards down one side, but I always carry a tiny little catch-all. In my bigger bags I use my Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire, and I just have everything that I want in there. But usually I will be carrying, this is from Dress Up Your Purse, this is from the little unicorn line, like a hair bobble, some paracetamol, some Rennies, Deflatine, an glasses clean and cloth, and my Dale's Addiction handbag hook. Can I decant card holder stuff, mini catch-all stuff, and some loose folding cash, maybe some coins, into here? I always wanted a Calvi, didn't see a need for me to have one that just had two open edges, because I'd never fill it, I'd never use it. But having this closed up pouch here, I know some people out there don't like the word game changer, but I think this could be a game changer. So I'm going to pop some stuff in it and see just what we can do in here. Okay, well, I'm very pleased to report that I got everything that was in these two in here. Yes, she's a little bit bulked out now, you can see here. This is the side with the cards in, this is the side with all my other gubbins in. So I have got 5 cards in here, and there is room for loads, so much more, so many more cards in there. Look at that, so much room available in there. I've got some folding cash in the slip pocket behind here, and in the little popper pocket I've got my hair bobble, all the other bits that were in there. So let's just take them out and show you. Glasses cleaner, Rennie and headache pills, a Deflatine, and my Dale's Addiction card holder, my Dale's Addiction handbag hook. And without those bits in there, it is a lot flatter, but it's still sticking out a little bit. But I think this is going to be great for tiny bags, and I'm very excited to have my first bit of Hermès. I did send the Lion a message from Harrods when I got my leather appointment, and he said, you haven't got Hermès money. And I said, I know, but you know, I'm just going to look at small things, And then I told him that I'd bought something from Hermès, and he was like, you what now? And then he was like, look at you with a little bit of Hermès. And I'm like, yeah, look at me, I've got my first little bit of Hermès. Anyway, very giddy, love the colour. Didn't love the experience. Maybe that will warm up moving forward, but I'm very excited to have this little cutie beauty. And I've got to say, thanks to Dale for introducing me to this colour. And it is correct, Hermès do bright colours really, 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 really well. What you hear is true. These colours are fabulous, absolutely fabulous. I do hope you have enjoyed this cheeky little reveal. What do you think of my first ever Hermès unboxing? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby dozy, and bye-bye. Seriously, who is she?